Alright everyone, I wasn't going to make this video, but I decided, you know what, this is actually kind of unique, so I figured, you know what, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. Maybe it'll be an inspiration to someone else. Essentially, here I have a tripod. This is actually my second tripod. You can kind of see the first one over here sticking out, but this was actually my second tripod. And this leg that you see laying on the ground partially, this leg bent. Well, I made do with it because I didn't want to buy a third one. Well, the other day, the tripod fell over again, and it actually broke off. So, I started to think to myself, alright, well, I guess I'm going to have to buy a third one. But then I decided, you know what? I still have the first one. Well, the reason why I stopped using the first one was for two reasons. Number one, this part up here actually broke. Okay, not this one, we'll get to that in a second, but anyway, this actually broke, the part that actually holds my phone. The second part that broke is that right here, this center rod right here completely broke off, broke out. So what would happen is that the tripod would not actually stand up, and I couldn't hold my phone anymore. Well, guess what? Tripod number two, the leg broke. Everything else was still good. Tripod one, this center rod broke, and this broke. So guess what I did? I took the components from tripod number two, mixed it with tripod number one, and now original tripod is back functional. So I took the top part of the phone mount off of that one, put it on here. Good to go. Now it'll hold the phone. Then to correct this, I actually stole that center rod from right there and put it on this one. So now the tripod is good to go. So there we go. Now I can officially get rid of this one because this one has been salvaged enough. But now I'm definitely glad that I did not ever get rid of this one, but also glad my wife didn't ever get rid of this one because I had told her a while back it broke, but I was holding on to it in case I ever needed parts. And guess what? Today was the day I needed the parts. So anyway, and I have no idea why that band-aid is on there. I think my youngest one put it on there. So side note, I don't know what the deal is with that. That might be another video another day. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. So don't throw away your stuff. Or maybe throw it away and just buy another one. I don't know.